Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today we're taking a look at this gorgeous 2020 Mercedes S560 4MATIC. This S-Class is showing only 18,000 original miles, and it has some really nice options, over $7,000 in options, on top of the already, so well-equipped S-Class vehicle. Some of those options include the premium package, a heated steering wheel, and even rear heated seats and more. You can view all the specifics on our website, alphacars.com. There you can view the up-to-date pricing and availability. And if you are interested in this vehicle, or any of our other vehicles for that matter, keep in mind we do offer vehicle transportation. So even if you're not local to us, still reach out and we can go over the options with you. So in this video, we're gonna do a condition overview of this really nice S-Class, and let's get right into it. First, starting on the exterior, we did confirm it is all factory original paint. It has a clean Carfax and only one previous owner with some nice dealer service history on there. So let's go over the condition. Front bumper and the headlights look really nice. You can see the headlight lenses there, nice and clear. Now at the front bumper and passenger side fender, other than a little bit of dust from being moved around a little bit for marketing purposes since it was cleaned, everything is looking awesome. Same thing with this fender here. And I do want to point out just a couple very minor imperfections. There's one little scuff right here. It's really hard to see, but it's right at the tip of the pointer there. And that was touched up. And there's the lightest little scuff like right here on that edge. And now looking at this side, I think this side was good. There is the light imperfection just right there. But that's it to my eye and to my knowledge. Now going down the driver's side of the S-Class, let's go down the panels at this angle so we can find any irregularities in how the light reflects, like if there's any dings, dents, or scratches. And it really looks beautiful. This metallic blue, I believe this is lunar blue metallic. Such a cool color. You can see they're super glossy. Now let's go down the passenger side at the same angle. And we can see once again, no obvious dings, dents, or scratching. It all looks excellent. The windshield is factory Mercedes glass. And this vehicle does have the panoramic sunroof. So most of the roof is glass, but everything is looking good here. And now at the back, at the rear bumper, there is the light little scuff right here. I do want to point that out, and just a light scuff right here. But other than that, this side looks amazing. Even this edge of the bumper, there's very little to no scuffing on there, so people really treated this with care, putting things in and out of the trunk. And yeah, everything over here seems to be looking good. Let's take a quick look at the wheels, and then we'll get to the cargo area and the interior. That wheel looks to be very nice. There was the minor cosmetic touch-up just right here. It's really hard to see, even in person, but there was just the slightest previous light cosmetic imperfection that we touched up. So now it's really not noticeable. We are full transparency and full disclosure, which is why I'm telling you. If I didn't tell you, you most likely would never tell. And same thing right here. There was just a light little scuff on the edge, so we touched that up, smoothed it out and touched it up with the wheel color. And now at the driver's rear wheel, this wheel looks to be pretty much perfect to me. It looks really nice. Let's get into the interior of the S560. One-touch operation, and the trunk opens right up. Of course, it has the power closer function as well. This car comes with a full set of carpet and rubber mats, which I'll show you here. All the factory mats there, and they're all in really nice condition. See there, factory Mercedes. And now with those removed, we can take a look at the condition of the cargo floor, and everything is looking awesome here. We can even open this up, and there's the factory tow hook there, and just some more storage. And there is some documentation here, some of the sort of owner's manual. There's like a wheel lock key kit and stuff there. Now getting into the interior, which is really the place to be on the S-Class. Actually, quickly, let me just show you. That works great. And yeah, now getting into the interior, all sorts of sunshades that you can deploy for the side windows and the rear window, as well as the rear heated seats. And all the seat material and carpet, even the kick panels, the sill plates down here, everything, it just looks excellent on the S-Class. And this does have the soft close function on all 4 doors, so we can lightly latch it and it pulls itself closed. And there's just a little bit of dust right here. You might have seen the little bit of dust. There's no imperfections there, just the little bit of dust I mentioned. And yeah, such an attractive color combo with the interior and exterior on this S-Class. And this vehicle's only been on our website a couple days. We've already had a lot of interest in it. I'm making this video just a couple days after we launched the listing. But yeah, other than, this is just a bit of lighting from the showroom. All the seating surfaces, there's really no damage or wear or anything to be concerned with. Window switches here, tons of adjustability in these seats. We've got ventilated and heated seats with the memory options. You can open up the glove box here. And there's I think this is one of the options. It has the media player in there, and there's even the space you can buy the Mercedes air scent, and you can put that in there and it'll inject like a certain scent into the climate control. And now looking at the rear driver's door. Once again, everything's looking awesome. We've got the illuminated puddle light there and the footwell lighting in here. And yeah, from this side, same thing. Everything is looking amazing. Now at the driver's seat. Once again, everything here, common touch points, it all is looking great. And yeah, 18,000 miles, this thing, someone really treated this thing nice, and with the low use, that also is just an important factor. We can see the heated steering wheel control right here. And I will turn the ignition on. I won't start it yet because we are in the showroom. You can see there are 18,256 miles. And then now that the ignition is on, let me just show you some of these functions so we can get our sunshades up there. Super cool. And there's even the function to bring the rear sunshade and control the rear passenger portion of that sunroof, the shade there. So everything's working awesome. I just want to show that. This car is such a cool place to be at night. All the lighting and all the different door pockets and along all the dashboard, which as we get in here, you can see some of that lighting, and it is customizable and stuff as well. And of course, we've got all different functions here. Nice high definition screens, navigation. We've got our seat settings, which has the massage functions here, all different massage functions you can use. And I will start it up briefly. Starts right up. It does the little light dance at the front with the sort of adaptive lighting. And yeah, check out the lighting in this car. It's such a luxurious, nice place to be. But I will shut it off now because, like I said, we are, in the showroom and we want to keep things fresh in here. But let's, as a last thing, we'll pop the hood and we'll take a look at the twin turbo V8, around 460 horsepower, I believe. And you can see the vents here in the engine cover to help vent the turbochargers there, as it's a hot V setup, so both turbochargers are within the V of the V8 right there for the tight packaging. And yeah, but even looking under here, like this is as clean as the inside of the car is. It's looking amazing. And yeah, not a whole lot more to show. I mean, even the underside of the hood is nice and glossy. So now that we've taken the full look at the S560, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in this vehicle, feel free to contact our team, 978-263-9000. You can also email us at sales@alphacars.com. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom, where we always have many exciting things like that Mercedes V12 S600 over there, and we have the G55 AMG, both in for service, and even the Mercedes AMG GT55 over there underneath the C6 Corvette. So if you're a car enthusiast, feel free to drop in. We've always got cool stuff here as we are enthusiasts ourselves. But anyway, please subscribe if you enjoyed, and also so you don't miss out on the future motoring content.